Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody, and I just want to insert a quick disclaimer here before I actually share with you the unboxing. So, this kit I am reviewing for the month of March 2018 is the Reset Girl Refresh Collection, and it's actually a collection, not necessarily a kit or a kit subscription, but I'm going to explain all that when I actually do the unboxing. However, 2 days after I filmed this unboxing, Corey from the Reset Girl sent out an email saying that March was the last month that they were going to be offering a physical products and that they would only be offering digital products from this point forward. So if I have known that, I probably wouldn't have actually purchased this kit and shared it with you. However, since I did purchase it, I had already filmed the unboxing and I've already done like 4 layouts with it. I'm going to go ahead and share this with you and go through my full kit review process like I normally would, because you still will be able to purchase the digital products. However, I'm just not sure how pricing will change or how her collections will change, but her same design style should be very similar, if not exactly the same. So, and I really do love these products, but just wanted to put that disclaimer in there before you actually view the unboxing, since that, again, is not really how I normally would do a kit review. I don't usually do kit reviews when kits are no longer going to be available. But as we know, shops close, shops change, shops open. So that's just kind of the ebb and flow of the business. But stay tuned. You can definitely watch this unboxing and definitely check out all the layouts because I really had a lot of fun with this kit and these products. I really like her design style. All right, guys, thanks. Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody. I thought I'd pop in this afternoon to share my Reset Girl Happy Girl kit with you. This is the kit that I'm reviewing from March 2018. I about said 2016, but 2018, and I want to share this one with you. So this is not a monthly subscription. However, I see a lot of different people on YouTube that purchase this monthly and they use it monthly either in their planner, their pocket pages like Project Life pages, or their traveler's notebooks. So I thought it'd be nice to go ahead and buy like a collection and share it with you. So there are kits on the site, and the way that this works is that there are 2 release dates each month. There's a release date on the 1st and on the 17th. And from what I can tell, there's different products that come out different at those different times a month. I actually purchased the Refresh Happy Girl kit, but there's also a Faithful Girl kit. And the Faithful Girl kit is pretty much like for Bible journaling and that type of thing, self-reflection. And then the Happy Girl kit, I'll share that with you. But there are multiple other additional purchasing opportunities. So I purchased the Refresh collection, like I said, and these are all of the items that are included in the Refresh collection. There's the Sticker Girl, which is 4 sticker sheets. There's prompts and challenges. There's arrows and banners. There's the 2 kits themselves. I'm sorry, the designer sheet for the kits. There's a flower bundle. There's the Faithful Girl kit and the Happy Girl kit. Planner covers, labels, word strips, word phrases, snippets, paper punch. There's like 6 pages where you can use your punches to punch them out. Journal cards, additional punch things, whimsy arrows, chipboard or clipboards, and florals. And if you notice, I have on here which ones are digital downloads and which ones are actually physical products. And there's actually a little bit more, there are more options for digital downloads than there are for actual physical products. But I kind of actually did a combination of the two. Now, I do not have a silhouette, so I don't have the opportunity to print and cut. However, what I did do is I purchased the journaling cards, which are a digital download. I purchased the challenge sheets, which were digital downloads. Now, I did not purchase on the 1st. I purchased a couple, well, let's see, what day did I actually purchase? I think I purchased around the 3rd or the 4th. All of these products were actually on sale when I purchased. I have the actual full price listed here because I don't know how often or when she does her sales, but keep an eye out on the site because I did purchase them for sale. So to give you the basic, prices, the Happy Girl kit and the Faithful Girl kit are the same price. They're $16 a piece. I think I purchased them for like $13.95 a piece, but either way, they are listed for $16 a piece. Shipping and shipping date and all that depends on when you actually order because these products are available pretty much all the time. I don't know how long she keeps them in the shop, but there are multiple months worth of products in her shop right now. The release dates are the 1st and the 17th, like I said. The website is www.theresetgirl.com. And then what I actually purchased, again, the ones in bold are the things I purchased, but I got 24 single-sided 3x4 journaling cards that I printed at home myself. I got 3 single-sided 3x3 cards, which is a physical product. I'll share that with you. 5 sticker sheets, physical products, which I'll share with you, and then 3 challenge lists, and those were downloads that I printed myself. So that's kind of all of the information for you. So let me actually share with you what I got. All right, so the package comes like this, and I just covered up my addresses, but you've got your shipping label on this side, which are really cute sticker that says awesomeness delivered. I wonder if I could take this off. No, that's really cute. And then on the other side, it says the Reset Life delivery service. Please deliver to this awesome girl. And then it says your order is here. This is really, really cute. It might actually be kind of cool to cut this out and put it in my project life, but it's a very sturdy, hard envelope here. So let me share with you what's inside. Okay. All right, so these are the downloaded products, and then these are the physical products. So let's look at the downloaded products first. First, there's the Happy Place Club Challenge Tracker, and this lists different things for each week, and you're supposed to be able to give yourself reward stickers for that. And then there's also a self-care plan, and this would be perfect to cut, to trim out, and put in your planner, and that's really kind of what these are for. But I thought it would, because these are actually, they're normally $1.95. Yes, $1.95, but she had them on sale for free, so I went ahead and downloaded them, and yeah, they're A5 printables. I went ahead and downloaded them and just printed them. That way I could kind of share with you the color and just the design. I think it's really kind of cute. It says morning care activities I will do this month: get up early, journal, make a special tea or coffee, make myself breakfast, plan, take a walk, so on and so forth. And then there's an evening care, and it's just kind of a cute little thing to add to your planner, especially if you're going to use the reward stickers. Those are kind of cute. This is the scripture writing challenge, which I've never actually done any kind of scripture writing or anything like that, but I think it would be kind of a cool way to self-reflect and just kind of focus you for the day. So there's a week, 4 weeks, and it gives you verses for each, or 4 verses, or 4 passages, not necessarily verses, but 4 passages for each week. And it does tell you to share with the hashtags. And then this is the Happy Place Club Challenge, which just goes with the Happy Girl kit that I actually purchased. There's my list. And it has week 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it has March 1st through 7th, 8th through 14th, 15th through 21st, and 22nd through 31st. And there's prompts. There's listing and journaling, self-care, and crafting and planning. Look at those beautiful colors. I really like the her just attention to detail and just how pretty these kits are. And then these are the journaling cards. So I have not trimmed them out yet, but as you can see, and I like the ability to print at home. However, my printer is not the best, and as you can tell, it's a little bit grainier than probably what I like when I'm purchasing cards. So this is not my preferred way to actually get journaling cards. It's just not very clean and crisp, but they are pretty. And I thought about getting them printed at like Staples or something, but I just have a crappy printer. That's all it is. I would love to get another printer and actually buy a Silhouette and print and cut my own stickers, planner stickers and things like that. But I just have no idea what printer that would be. So if you guys have any suggestions whatsoever, please let me know, and I would be happy to look into that. But these are all single-sided, of course, because I printed them myself. And you can, that's the great thing about digital downloads, is that you can print as many as you want. So I could have printed 4 copies of these. There's 24 journaling cards in total here. So those are the journaling cards. So I'm going to trim these out. And if I end up, I don't know, I may go ahead and print a couple extra copies and just have them in my stash. But those are those. All right, and then here are the physical products that I got. And I like that she tells you what they are, because I don't know if you guys are this way, but by the time I actually receive the product, I forget all about what it was or what it's called. So I've got the Happy Girl kit here, Whimsy banners and arrows, and then designer sheet. So let's open these. All right, so these are the Whimsy arrows and banners. And I'll tell you who first had these, or the first person I saw that used these in scrapbooking, and I was like, oh my god, I need those. And that was Adele from Inky Quill, because she likes to use all the little bits and things, and so do I. Like, I love having little scraps and using all the little bits. So I was like, oh, I need these, because these are really cute for stamping on, journaling on, and then just having all these little bits and pieces that you can include on your project life. So this, by far, is my favorite. Now, let me tell you the price of this. Let me find my sheet again. So, Whimsy Arrows and Banners, and I'm just going to tell you the full price because I never know if it's going to be on sale or not. This one is $9.95. I feel like that's a little expensive for one sticker sheet, but I love it. So, I probably would continue to purchase it if I weren't purchasing other kits. All right, this is the designer sheet. And there, it's only one sheet, but it's folded in half, so I would almost venture to say that this is kind of like 2 sheets of stickers. And this one, again, is $9.95. So, I mean, it makes sense. It's like a full sheet, whereas a regular sticker sheet would be smaller. So the price does make sense. I'm like your frugal scrapper. I like to be able to save money when possible. So I always make note of prices. And then this is really one that would work well with your planner. So it's got your dates 1 to 31 in 2 different fonts. You've got like a bigger kind of block font here, and then you've got the clouds, which I think are really cute. You've got labels, a few like decorative stickers, circles, clouds, hexagons, big and little hexagons, labels, a few little tags and tickets, little houses or arrows, however you want to use those. Hello, my name is, which I think are really cute, and then some more decorative stickers. So those are nice. And the color on these is just amazing. If you look at her printer compared to my printer, I mean, like, there is no comparison. So if anybody has any suggestions for some awesome printers, please, please, please let me know, because I just really have no clue. Plus, I would like to find out where I can get some sticker paper like this. I know you can get it on Amazon. I just don't know which one. Which one's a good one. So if anybody has any suggestion for good sticker paper, please let me know too, because I would really, really love to print my own stickers and stuff at home. All right, this is the Happy Girl kit itself. So you get 3, oh, I thought these were 3 by 3. They're 2.5 by 2.5 cards, and these are on a really, really thick cardstock, which is really cool. You get kind of your lady, you get refresh, and then you get the number 2. I don't know what the relevance is of the number 2. Since this is March, this is the 3rd month, so I don't know what the 2 is for, but I like it. It's cute. This is the Happy Place Club Challenge sheet, and this goes along with the challenge, and these are those like rewards and banners you can give yourself whenever you actually complete the challenges. You've got 1 to 12. You've got a whole bunch of little icons and things, and I'm not actually going to be doing all the challenges, but I think I'll find a way to use these. So it says things I can spring clean and organize, ways I'm going to smell the roses this spring, my goals, refresh, what is working, what to let go of, things I love about my state in spring, and so on and so forth. What's on my nightstand? Like, these are a lot of journaling prompts, but that's kind of cool for project life, especially for those weeks that I don't have a whole lot going on and I have a lot of places to journal. So I think that'll be fun to use. And then these are the 2 additional sticker sheets, and these are very similar to the icons on here, but different. So as you can see, it's got the same circles, but different patterns on them, but they all still coordinate. Same thing, you got your big stickers in your big circles and your little circles. There are no little circles on this one, but then you've got hexagons, and these are kind of a medium size between these 2 sizes. And you got more of those medium-sized circles, and then some banners. So that's everything. That's everything that I purchased. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my journaling cards and get this kit ready to 12 by 12 folders, so I keep them ready. I always have the kit that I'm working with for a kit review, and then I have a little ottoman over here that keeps all my other kits that are together that I'm not using for a kit review, but that I've purchased over time. So I have all my kits in there, so if I ever have any time down where I'm not working with the kit, I go through that ottoman and pick out a kit to work with. That's where that Gossamer Blue kit came from that you guys have seen a couple layouts from here recently. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions whatsoever. Make sure you check out my blog for the downloadable version of this resource guide. I also have all the other ones for all the other kits that I've done as well, so make sure you go check that out. You can either download just the single page for this kit, the single page for any other kit, or the full PDF document itself. I think it's actually like up to 28 pages now, or something similar to that. I was just updating it on my blog. So here you go. Let me know if you guys have any questions whatsoever. Bye.